Service in Binghamton has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Sullivan County in central New York, north central Pike County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m. At 6:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Lake Helixson, or 14 miles east of Holmesdale, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Narrowsburg around 6:20 p.m. Lava around 6:25 p.m. White Lake and Smallwood around 6:30 p.m. Bethel and Fosterdale around 6:35 p.m. Hortonville around 6:40 p.m. Jeffersonville and White Sulphur Springs around 6:45 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Scranton repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Pike, Pennsylvania, and Sullivan, New York. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Skitsop to Old Orchard, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Easton, Newton, Montague, Mount Pocono, Bethlehem, Forks, East Stroudsburg, Wilson, Washington, Blairstown, Hellertown, Nazareth, Bangor, Penn Argyll, Wind Gap, Belvidere, Harmony, Oxford, Alpha, and Hope. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 68 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 5. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 300 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 21. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Sussex and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania.